and it did not work out. They deploy also Sudanese in Jonglei State to intimidate Nuer, including to take SPLIO position areas that were given by the peace agreement to SPLIO, take them back by force. It did not work out too. So now, they went to plan C. Plan A did not work out. Silencing Nuer, Finazer, intimidating Nuer, it did not work out. Silencing Young Michel, my SPLIO official, didn't work out well. Then, plan C, it given us kulum, ilimuj gabel kulum fitut Nuer, ishakalu Nuer besla. Mashagal kaman. And then they went to plan D. Plan D, that's when Santina Dengwall, out of nowhere, went to Bilpam the day before. And he called all the Nuer officers. Only Nuer officers. Only Nuer. In a country accommodating 64 tribes. In a country you claiming that there's something called South Sudan People Defense Force. He went to target Nuer Braubas. And then Mr. Jab Nuer, and he went to install Nuer. Chetamu Nuer kadabas. Dubad with Nuer. That's utum dubad with Nuer. What are you doing in Juba? What will happen if you die? But the fenutum for when? Where will you be buried? I'm shibelet bitakum ya. Shetima batal. Now, Nuer did not respond. Kalau they never shetima de. Then they went to the worst one. The worst plan, but I danka. Maukuma da Juba. We have to say them as it is. And de shokol bada shaitan de shokol bada danka maukuma without it. Listen to this. That's today. The headline. The headline for news with Junub Sudan Kulu is written like this. It is written and it's written like this. South Sudan People Defense Force. To engage Wyoming, Nuer Wyoming, and Nuer community leaders in peace dialogues. Did you read what I'm saying? This is put by South Sudan People Defense Force. Plan E, the last one. And it is written. South Sudan People Defense Force to engage Nuer Wyoming and Nuer community leaders in peace dialogues. Garbage. Back to Sunder. Back to fucking Sunder. Back to Sunder. Garbage. You know why it's garbage, Adanka? Hey, Adanka. Do you know why it's garbage? Do you know why it's garbage? Let me explain it to you. Peacefully. Let me fucking explain it to Denga peacefully. Why it's garbage? SPLIO represent Wyoming community. SPLIO represent Wyoming community. The only government official that are representing Wyoming community is SPLIO. Why? Lano, for 2013. In 2013, Nuer were target in Juba, only one tribe, from door to door. Before that, government was one. It was a Vice President Riek Machar with Junub Sudan or Salva Kiir Reis with Junub Sudan. Then you went on targeting something that could have been political. Something political that has been to win one political party. You involve community, killing of community. Annas kulul kan se jinu bakalam kul ma ku bata denga de. Na do kulu fagum. Pagana mum fagum. Majanga god fagum. We denga jak fagum. Lol gol kos fagum. Faguna do kulum. Why? Lana ma fi love. Ma fi love. Lana to weigh the coup. Fear jet talara jet the garamal to weigh the coup. First, you shut down Air Force. Airport. Do la garamal love. Tabakul matar. Matar. No fly zone. Something they call in military no fly zone. They in love. Ma fi tayara badi or ma fi tayara bagum. After taking matar, then get up at a jet bilpam. Get at a jet bilpam. You secure it. After get at a jet, then J1, mal of you raise. Talada mala del. The government column. Bill from Viet Batak. They in love de. Bill from Viet Batak. Matar. Why are you taking Matar? I shall so not so gum. Raise my injury. You don't want the president to escape. Ma bourgeoisie del el karab dollar de. So now, Matar Viet Batak. Now get at a jet Viet Batak. Now J1 Viet Batak. Then the last one, there is Mal Batakalam. Then Nita Bukuch is you will go. There is then you broadcast your coup. That's Kalam de Machile UN, Kalam de Machile African Union, Kalam de Machile IGAT, Kalam de Machile International Community. Min Yomalele Gidam. Salva Kiir is no longer president of Junub Sudan. The Toriang Mishari or is with the Junub Sudan. Udola Fayet Vitana. I saw the day the Kalam Junub Sudan, you will talk to us. And then they call them successful coup. Inglab Naja. Inglab Naja Kalas. What happened, lo Inglab Manager? What happened if you fell? Then Sajenu Siazin Kulu. The Magabila, ya. That's Siazin. Sajenu Siazin del Kulum. Majanga God Sajan, Riang Mishar Sajan, Pagana Mum Sajan, we are Dang Jack Sajan, Lord God calls Sajan. Kill all of them. Ukuma Buxuluman Kulu. Kill all of them. Then I'm in love. They love Fajan. Cataluman Kulu. Mapi Morton Buktulu. Mafi Morton. Mapi Morton Bamalu target. The Kalam the Ukuma. But in the case of Denka, Salva Kiir Mayadit, they went to target Nuer. And then the government would divide it into two. SPLIO to represent Nuer Kulu. Wokeda kan mafi Nuer Cham Jay, or mafi Nuer Cham Chunu, the Nuer Kulu. Then Salva Kiir to represent Denka. Kalas, another Machin Salam. Nuer will not be represented by Denka. Lana de Denka, your cattle Nuer. Use your wise mind. How can Nuer be protected by Naath can cattle woman? How can Nuer be protected by their own enemy? Impossible. Impossibility cannot be impossible. Kulubul. Impossible. Then Salam Amalu sign. Based on this determination, that Nuer will be represented by Riek Machar, my SPLIO, or Denka will be represented by Salva Kiir. So now, Ukitishil, now the Gadama represent Nuer, Riek Machar, Madubat, SPLIO, those who sign agreement with you, and you yell them. It's a Kalauman decision. So now it's a Majila Y Army. It's a Majila Y Army to talk peace agreement with them. My community and where those who represent where to call woman position. What are you trying to achieve? One thing. Oh yeah, one thing. What are you trying to achieve to Denkawe? One thing. Nuer Sadamo. 10 wire me again Riek Machar. 10 wire me again Riek Machar. 10 wire me again SPLIO. That's all you try to accomplish. De ma salam ite dero. Lana lo salam ite dero. Riak yo char. Pik riak ma char. Pik SPLIO. De SPLIO. Bakalam kalam salam. Ma SPLIG. Nama Wyoming. Wyoming are civil defense force. Wyoming. Aya the body beleta nuer Wyoming benego. Aya the body beleta nuer Wyoming benego. Wyoming are not there to sign peace agreement with no one. Wyoming are not there to sign peace agreement or to talk peace with no one. Wyoming banado man gang dor kir. Law log jang. Go jam. Ter chuong. Civil defense. You do not talk peace with women. Woman ma der salam in Aizol. Dear representative, the SPLIO. You want to talk peace? Talk to SPLIO. Talk to SPLIO. Tama ba save SPLIO position. Tama ba save SPLIO position. SPLIO kulu sajeno dubaz riyak machar sajeno. Utamji le community da nuer that it gade parich bisalam. Denka. God will find you. God will find you. Very soon. Denga bokoro fi Junub Sudan. Ajadu tumgada amalu de. Da ajad boktul denga. Ajadu tumgada amalu tum denga de. Da ajad boktul denga. You think you are smart. You try to play nuer like a ball. The same way, it's a child. SPLIO shall barakulu garwi dwell tal. Amshi amal salam attack. All amal salam attack. Muno amal salam attack. Ajad kulu did not work out well for you. So now it wasn't fi nusbata nuer. Where ma fi jej bata denga fi ma fi jej da munu is a nuer brow. And you know nuer will do it. Dama will mara nuer is a damu. Fi wukit bata SPL nuer to damu zede. Always. Gasamuman SPLM wanyanya tu. As a gasamuman SPLIG or SPLIO. But let me warn you, motherfuckers. Bob Marley said what? And Bob Marley put it right. That you can fool people. You can fool us. But you cannot fool us all the time. You cannot fool us all the time. Tuma basim not but asalam pisajan. Utamji the purge Islam tani. Tamji the leaders with Anwer. Those leaders with Anwer, they are represented by SPLIO. Why is all there? Kalam salam, bakalam salam, SPLIO. They are to salam tum there. Salam Amalusa in Katir. Amalusa in 2015. Amalusa in 2018. They are to salam denga got the fridge. What kind of fist talk dialogue are you looking for? The international community guard for Juba. International guard for Juba bakalam salam. International community. African Union guard for Juba bakalam salam. America guard for Juba bakalam salam. IGAD guard for Juba bakalam salam. Pope Francis al-Madde not betao delegation betao guard for Juba bakalam salam. Riang Machar ma SPLIO guard for Juba bakalam salam. They are to salam to Maji President Belet. You will jump not the kulum. To Maji the President. Law to Maga the President salam. Shakalade denga ma bagdaro. So lazimi shakalu. You have to keep Nuer busy. Asha Nuer ma was the denga lazimi sadamu Nuer. You believe that Nuer gabila belit, gabila basadamu, make them busy, fight each other, and then two SPLM, IO, IG, Kosum, Chunu. But this time around you will be surprised. That's IG will never happen. Lana ma fitalga bakori fi jo Nuer ni. And it said Nuer will unite. Nuer will unite. Nuer will unite and Nuer will accept each other. Nuer will accept each other. Nuer will not talk about political party or SPLIG or SPLIO or SPL Kosum. Nuer will never care about none of that. But Nuer will unite. Lofi dialogue. Nuer will dialogue among itself. Lofi salam. Nuer ba amal salam mata budun South Sudan People Defense Force. Aje banadu South Sudan People Defense Force de shilu Kosum mata gumutum denga de shilu brit shilu bit. Aje banadu South Sudan People Defense Force de shil dingum. They are the colors Nuer. They are the colors Nuer the South Sudan People Defense not. Santina de woli you. This is a karzol blit. A karzol blit. Aja de garama lo de. Da jat boktul denga. Da jat boktul denga. So that's what's going on. That's you will go to Wyoming. My Nuer community leaders to dialogue, peace dialogue. Uriak Mishar God Visijin Naath Bada Salam. Those who are representing Nuer women to Musibu Visijin. Those who are representing Nuer SPLIO to Bisibu woman Visijin. Ila tamji the Pere Salam Tani, Tamal confusion Lenuer, Tamal confusion Lenuer, Ata na the shackle. Okay, the woman that drops the line now there. Big ronak, people let Nuer, Kachot, SPLIG, or SPLIO. Oyen Jani be a talk doll, that Noir, Mithil what? Ah, be a lie, Noir. Be a lie, Noir, Noir the Jelga Salvakir. Be a lie, Kelga Salvakir. Be a lie, Noir the Jelga Salvakir. Low to Nas, Quaisin. Noir Bichuangala Noir. Chad out of Bayot, Bakalam Far Sacket. They you could young Kulmayom, young Mungat. They lend you young Vishunu. Then got ever food Kumishunu. Then got it that are making decision for Nuere. Then got ever food Nuer Vishunu. For them to make decision, they'll kulum. Yet, now the woman to bad that I know Hamshi Bellet Vitakum. While then Kagat for Juba Kulu. People are fighting for Tony Bargazal. Young never of Tony Bargazal. Talatin. La Lugu Shankel. Arbain La Lugu Shankel. Oman Aruja Denga Yom wa that Hamshi Bellet Vitakum Jib Salam. Tum Denga de. The Musamar Blit, Gebila Blit. Gebila Blit. Ajata Gadamalula Ajata Zol Blit. Thank you, guys.